Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add RSS feed in Outlook. Open your Outlook app. There, open the File menu, click on Account Settings, and again click on Account Settings. After that, you will go to the tab, RSS Feeds. Here, click on New, and now you can add your source using the syntax required for it. When you enter it, click on Add to add it. You can apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.